Hello guys, so our today's problem is to find the middle element in a linked list. So we are given a linked list with n nodes and we have to find out the value of the middle element. So what is the middle element? For example, in this linked list the middle element is 3 and in this linked list it is of even length, so we'll select the latter one, that is 4 is our middle element. So how should we proceed? In arrays we directly access the middle element by accessing the value of n by 2th element, where n is the length of the linked list, but we can do no such thing in the linked list. So here is a very special way. Whenever we need to find the middle element in a linked list, we maintain two pointers, namely fast and slow. Initially both are at head. Let's name our fast pointer as f and slow pointer as s. We'll increment fast pointer by 2 and slow pointer by 1 until fast pointer reaches end. What do I mean? So I'll increment this fast pointer by 2 values like this, while I'll just increment the slow value once. I'll repeat this until fast reaches the end value. Now as we can see, fast has reached end and slow has reached 3. As soon as fast reaches end, our slow pointer will point to the middle element. Let's take another case. Fast and slow pointer are initially pointing to head. We traverse the linked list and do it until fast reaches end. So let's do this. Fast goes ahead by 2 elements, slow just goes by 1, fast again goes by 2, slow goes by 1, fast goes by 2. That is, fast is now pointing to null and slow goes to 4. As soon as fast becomes null, or it is pointing to an element whose next element is null, that is the last node, our slow pointer at that moment will be pointing to the middle element. Then we'll just return the slow pointer's data value and we'll be done by it. So let's proceed to the code. So here it is a function in which we are given the head of the linked list and we have to return the middle value. So let's proceed. We create two pointers, node star fast initially pointing to head and node star slow also initially pointing to head. We'll traverse the linked list and we'll traverse until fast is not equal to null, that is, fast has not become null yet, and fast is not the last element, that is, fast's next value is also not equal to null. We'll keep traversing. Fast, we have to increment fast by 2 values, so fast is equal to fast's next value. So next to next value we are pointing, and for slow we'll just increment by 1 value, that is to its next value. Now we'll just return the data of the slow pointer after traversing, because it is our answer. So let's compile and check. So we are getting the right answer. In this array the middle element is 3 and we are getting the output 3, and in this array the middle element is 7 and we are getting the output 7. So let's submit this. So yes, our answer got submitted. This is a very important question and should be practiced once before any interview. The time complexity of this function is order of n and the space complexity is order of 1. Thank you.